What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Car's Kitchen, and today we are making these immaculate lasagna rolls. And honestly, this is the only recipe you'll ever need for lasagna rolls. So let's get into the recipe. So for this recipe, you will need ground beef, and I like to season my ground beef before and after it's cooked. So once your meat is about majority of the way cooked, you want to add in your peppers and your onions, and you want to cook everything together until your meat is cooked thoroughly. So while our meat is cooking, we're going to take 1 package of cream cheese and about a half a cup of sour cream and some seasonings of your choice, I should say, and some fresh basil. And we're going to mix that up until it's nice and smooth. And if you don't like cottage cheese, this is a replacement for the cottage cheese. So this is a substitute basically. And I added in a handful of Italian 4-cheese blend. So now our meat is cooked all the way through, and I'm adding in 2 cans of tomato sauce, 1 can of tomatoes, and 1 small can of tomato paste. And of course, you want to season it to your liking. I also went ahead and added in some bay leaves in there. Just make sure you take them out. You don't want to put that in your lasagna rolls. And I'm also going to take about a nice tablespoon of that cream cheese, sour cream mixture we just made, and some fresh basil. And just give everything a good mix. So now this is the fun part. I'm taking a little bit of that tomato sauce and putting it at the bottom so my lasagna rolls won't burn. And I do apologize for that little object on the left. I don't know what that is, but at least you can see what I'm doing. So anyways, I am taking that cream cheese mixture and spreading that out across my lasagna. Then I'm going to take a little bit of my sauce, my meat sauce, and you just want to go down the lasagna just a little bit. You don't want to do too much because it's going to be falling out and it's going to get messy. So at that point, you just roll it. And you're just going to place it in your pan like so, like that. And you do that for the rest of your pasta. Okay, so once you got all your rolls in your pan, you want to take the rest of that cream cheese or your cottage cheese substitute, spread that all over on top. I'm going to take some of my 4-cheese blend, put that on top, and put a lot of that meat sauce on top of that cheese. Then, of course, you want to hit it with some more cheese on top. And then we're going to throw this in the oven at 400 degrees just until that cheese on top melts. And after about 10 minutes, let it cool and it's ready to serve. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with a friend. And I will see you in my next video.